What is up, guys? Odd Life Gaming here, and today we are going to be talking about why you should be using streamer.bot in your streaming. I don't claim to be a master of streamer.bot, but I have picked up a lot over the last 6 months, and we're going to go over exactly why I think it's important to use it if you have access to a PC that you stream from. So let's get right into it here. We're going to go like this. So StreamerBot is an application that allows you to do a whole lot to your stream. It runs basically everything on my stream, as you can see here. Uh, Instead of running a bot that runs your commands and then another bot that runs giveaways and then another bot that runs your Twitch notifications and then another bot that runs your video shoutouts and then another bot that runs your sound alerts, you can run all of these in one singular place. So it's really nice. We'll start with channel redemption, so it is connected to all of my channel point redemptions, as you can see here. Um, my first, my second, my third, all of that is all channel redemptions. These are all my commands here, meaning my chat commands. Some people have made custom commands on my channel, so there's also that. And they're all very, very easy to set up. In fact, we'll do a test one and show you. So you just add your action, and I always tell people the way StreamerBot works is you have your actions, which is the grouping. You have your triggers, which is what triggers it to happen, and then you have your sub actions, which is the order in which it's actually doing things and what it's doing. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a test here. We're going to name it test. It's in my queue default. It's in my commands group, okay? So that puts it in my commands you see up here, commands grouping. And then what we're going to do is we're going to make the trigger add. We're going to go to core. We're going to go to commands, and we're going to go to command triggered. And we're going to create a command and name it test. Exclamation mark test. This means anyone can use it. We can make it so mods, subscribers, or VIPs can use it. Test. Add. We'll make it send a message to our Twitch chat. So that's going to be Twitch chat, send message to channel. This is a test. And now, whenever anyone does exclamation mark test in my chat, it's going to send a Twitch message that says, this is a test. So it's really easy to use. That's just an example I use with people. We're going to delete that. Um, my Discord command, that's there. I also automated a few things like Catch, so whenever a Pokemon spawns in my chat, I automatically catch it. I built a little giveaway bot through it, which is very easy to do. Um, my fishing mini game, if you haven't seen my stream, I have a fishing mini game where you type exclamation mark fish and you can catch any. I think there's 26 species of fish, all real weights of fish, all the way up to world record sizes. I have all of my Twitch notifications, fourth wall. Twitch notifications for everything. Big shoutouts to Nutty. I'm using Nutty's utility streamer bot starter pack. Video shoutouts. So when I shout someone out, it shows a clip on stream. And then all of my sound alerts. And it's very easy. You just download the sound alert to your computer and make it play it. You connect this to your Twitch, and then you connect it to your OBS or your Streamlabs if you use Streamlabs. And you can actually turn things on and off in OBS with StreamerBot as well. So instead of running a different bot for 18 different things, you can kind of have one thing under one roof, which makes it so that when something breaks or if something's broken, you know where to fix it. That's my big thing, right? Like if something's broken in StreamerBot, I can just come to StreamerBot to fix it instead of having to go to a bunch of different websites. I don't know what's happening there. There we go. But it runs everything. It runs my whole stream. So if you do want to come check me out, Odd Life Gaming, I'll come and you can come to my stream and I'll explain more as well. But it does run my whole stream. So I thought I would come on here and kind of brief guys, and I really think it's a great tool to use for small streamers. Any streamer should realistically be using streamer.bot if you're not already. Only if you're on PC. Unfortunately, there's limitations to it. You can still do this stuff if you're not on PC and you have a laptop running around. You can still do chat commands. Also, my fishing mini game. If anyone wants that on their stream, I have exported the file. That is another thing about streamer.bot. You can import and export files to each other to use. But yeah, that's a little bit about streamer.bot. Here's the layout of it, and if you want to check it out, streamer.bot is the website. It's really a great tool for streamers to use. I appreciate everybody dropping in, guys, and I hope to see you on the next video. And you can catch my stream at Odd Life Gaming on Twitch. I appreciate it, and peace.